So when the song came on in the party, and the man was like, if you love your mother, put up your hand. No. If you love your mother, and you know, say I go right for your mother, put up your hand. No. My hand was down. I couldn't really do much.
Oh, so, right. So where are we? We want to do this.
So obviously I've come home now, and I'm on live early hours in the morning, but I'm drunk. And I'm on live with Ashante, and I'm just venting. I don't know what. They said I was crying as well. I looked at the video. I was really drunk because I don't remember anything I said.
So you want to reunite then? This isn't Paso. This is... Yeah, you do.
But it's going to turn out to be... Do you know what it is? We're both alike, so our head hit. You understand?
Well, hopefully you lot can just sort it out, and then you can be in the club, and then next time you hear that song, you're going to put up your hand.
It's not going to happen.
It can happen.
It's not going to happen overnight. You understand what I'm saying? It's not something that can be sorted overnight. Just want her to take accountability for the things that she's done.
All right, let me end this because they're saying she's back. You lot should have told her to follow me as well. Because she didn't follow me.
She has it up. See, she still has it up. All she's got to do is before she's clicked live, she just needs to drag it to the bin. Hold on to it, and it will say drag to the bin. Like the sign will come up. She just drags it to the bin. That's what I did before, because I wasn't over 18. So I had to end my live and go back on live. But before you go live, you have to put it in the bin before you click live.
Who's OP Lawal? Do you know OP Lawal?
No.
Right there.
I'm running out of patience. Thanks for the gifts, guys. Right, thanks. Took you years. Can be nice.
Hello, boss.
What's going on, mommy? You good?
Yes, good. But this one, yeah, is between me and Renee.
All right, please. Do you want me to go?
Yes, my love.
All right, mommy, I'll see you later. Renee, good luck. Listen, both of you lot.
Bye.
Make sure it's bare love in the chat, and yeah? All right, me gone. See you later.
So we're going on, you good?
I'm alright. What you saying?
So our miracle.
She's alright.
You can't see her. She's not allowed to show in the camera.
She's allowed to be on social media, but I just don't want her on social media right now.
Okay. That's all good.
Yeah, why you don't just put Miracle down? Yes, and she don't have to see Miracle right now.
Say hello to Miracle. Say hello to Tia for me, please.
No, go and put her down. Put her back on the bed.
Say hello to Tia for me, please.
So where are you going? Take Miracle with you.
Say hello to Tia for me, please.
You heard?
Okay. So you been down there?
I've been alright. What's going on?
Well, nothing really going on, but just call to find out if you're alright and if you're good. How Jamaica treat you?
It's alright. I want to ask you a question. Why when Shawana said what she said, why did you believe Shawana?
Look here. We're not talk about that on here.
Why not? You spoke about it on here.
No, not on here, Renee.
You spoke about it on here.
Renee?
Else. You sat on social media.
Can you just listen to me for once?
No,
can you do the right
thing?
thing?
You're not making sense.
No, it's not. Listen, whatever me you have to talk about with this situation, We're gonna talk it off social media, not on social media, please.
So why did you speak about it? Why did you speak about Shawana's one on social media?
It's not me speak about Shawana one on social media.
All right,
Shawana come and speak about it herself.
Why did you go in a box with a bunch of strangers to talk about what happened to me as a child, but you never came to me? I'm just answering because I don't understand. What difference is it speaking in private than what you done already?
Renee, I'm say already, I'm not speaking about it on social media.
What do you want to talk to me about?
But just call for find out if you're alright. I'm an African play one match. Simple. Whatever we have to talk, we're gonna talk about it.
You just want money then. It don't mean
everybody
nothing.
Renee, this is not all about the money.
You just said you want to find out
Renee, listen,
you want to play a match.
I can't bother with them something because you don't listen. This is not about no money. Are you gonna make me live bad? See me go right back in 2026? You know what better?
You just said you want to play a match and see if I'm okay. What are you talking about?
Macalia, me ask you if you're alright, always miracle. You say no good and everything. So I said, you want to speak about what's been going on between me and you on the media. Me don't want to talk about that on the media. No, everything we want to go on media, you know. Can you see me in your conversation? It is not going to talk over here. We are going to sit down and we're going to deal with this shit. Not over here, so. So if you want to bring it over here, you can bring it over here, but I am not going to bring it over here. Simple.
Well, have a good day. Go play matches.
Sorry?
Have a good day. Play your matches. I'm good.
All right, then.
Later.
Okay.
Ren, no. What you lot have to understand, yeah? The disrespect has happened publicly. You understand what I'm saying? The disrespect has happened publicly. Everybody already knows everything publicly. What difference does it make to be on the... Like, I'm not doing nothing private. Nothing private I'm doing. And I don't care what anybody wants to say to me. She spoke about my SA on live with a bunch of strangers that don't know Renee. That don't know my family. A bunch of people was in the live when she spoke about my situation. You didn't come private to me to talk to me privately. You spoke about the situation publicly. The disrespect has been publicly. Your husband disrespected me publicly. Every one of you lot disrespected me publicly. So why is it now that you don't want to deal with things private? I'm not dealing with nothing private. I'm not dealing with nothing private. And I don't care what anybody wants to say to me. I ain't dealing with nothing privately. Because your disrespect has to match your apology publicly. Okay? Thank you very much. If you can click your live and disrespect me publicly time and time after again, why can't you apologize to me publicly so the world can hear you apologize? You're going to come tell me you want to play a match? Play a match to make money and put money in your pocket? This is not about money to me. It's not about money to me. You understand what I'm saying? People need to understand that. I ain't spoken to you in how many months and you're telling me you want to play a match? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. You was on a live. You was on live with my cousin, and my cousin told you what happened to her when she was a child. My cousin told you it publicly. You was in a match with Samantha, Kimar, Shawana. So these are my two cousins. Samantha's my cousin, Kimar's my cousin, Shawana's my cousin. You was on live stream with my cousins, live streaming, and you lot spoke about this publicly. So why is it now, okay, let me call Renee and let's deal with it off the media? No, brother, deal with it on social media. The same way you disrespected me on the media. It's simple as that. Nah. I've had enough of all of them. I've had enough of a very small one of everyone in my family. They can all get one by one go down the hill. One by one, they can pack up and go down the hill. I'm not letting people feel like they can walk all over me and all these kind of things anymore. I'm tired of it. You understand what I'm feeling? You understand what I'm dealing with? I'm tired of it right now. I'm tired. You did all of this to come on here and say absolutely nothing apart from let's play a match. That's all I'm getting from it because you want to make money. It don't work like that. When she was discreet, when she was on live stream and she was doing all her nonsense, everything was on live stream. Maureen never wanted to do nothing in private, and her moderators need to go chat to her. She don't want to do nothing in private. So I'm fine. Moving on.
They didn't talk. Renee, I see that.
What do you
Right,
see?
Renee, what just happened? But that didn't go back. Everyone's saying it went left, but it wasn't like major left. At least you're still in the process of trying to. You could have been screaming at each other, and you wasn't.
Listen to me. Let me tell you something here, Hots, yeah?
Yeah.
My situation is deep in what it really is. This
I know
is
they
deep.
gave me the back. They gave me the backstory of it. I never knew any of this. I just want everyone to know until I
My
was.
thing is, some people might feel like, Renee, you're wrong for not wanting to have a conversation privately. You understand? I have dealt with too much publicly. You understand? And people don't understand why I am the way I am. Now, my mum don't know how to take accountability. She lacks of that. Do you understand? She doesn't know how to apologize. You did all of this to come on my live to tell me, let's play a match, and how are you? Can I see Miracle? Fuck that, you ain't gonna see my youth, blood. What makes you think it's okay for you to think everything's going to be put under the rug and I'm just going to show you my kid? No. How many times have you clicked your live and said you will take your breasts out and curse me and my child? And you think I'm just going to throw everything under the rug? No, I'm not doing that. The same way you have disrespected me every single time publicly.
You want a public?
I want a public apology for me to feel like you're sincerely sorry. He has sat on live with Len. People that don't like me lots. People that honestly do not like the sight of Renee. She has
get
gone
that.
live.
No,
And she has spoken about me. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I get it.
Something that completely breaks me every day of my life, even to this day. I try my best to get up every day and not think about it. My biggest trauma in my entire life of being 30 years old, you sat on a platform, TikTok, with a bunch of strangers that don't know my story, and you spoke to them about what happened to me when I was a kid. All of this you done publicly, you know? So why can't you talk to me publicly? What are you hiding from? Because you know you're wrong.
Or Renee, I agree with you. Or maybe not speak on here about what happened publicly, but the same kind of energy she had when she was talking about you, she should come on and apologize for having that energy on here in like publicly, but then you take the rest of it off. Even like that.
Not enough.
You want to do the whole thing?
Let me tell you something here, Hots.
One.
There's no point for nothing to be private. What's the point of anything to be private? I don't need to make money from anything. What is the point of it to be private when everybody knows everything? Everyone knows everything. They know my dirty laundry.
I know.
I'm one girl that don't hide nothing from the media. Do you understand what I'm saying? Everybody on social media knows absolutely everything regarding my sister's business, my business, my mum's business, the family's business. Everyone knows absolutely everything. So why are you now coming with this next approach? Oh, let's do this privately. No, I bun that, because when we were supposed to do it privately, and I put myself included, we didn't do it privately. We did it publicly.
Yeah,
the shame's already there. Everybody knows our business.
Renee, I get what you're saying. Like everyone,
I'm not doing nothing privately.
I get what she's saying. Do you know what?
I don't want to sort nothing out privately. I don't want to do nothing like that privately. I'm really sorry. Her husband sat on social media and said he will get someone to unalive me, and it was all live stream. Everyone heard it.
I get what she's saying.
Now, because you want to talk to me, it should be done the way you want it. No, it's Renee's way or it's the highway, and it's simple as that. Or I don't need apology.
Let me break down what Renee's saying. Basically, if everything's already been and the mum has contributed to airing out, do you know One Jakes? Do you want to chat to? Shall we leave One Jakes out of here?
Who's that?
He's a big TikToker in Jamaica.
That's Rosalie's baby dad. We're not time for that yet.
Right. So listen, what Renee is saying, and I agree with her. If the mum has the energy to come on here and start talking family stuff, yeah, on the app, and being disrespectful at the same time, she can't say to Renee, I don't want to talk about this on here, because you've already been doing it. So Renee's right.
Do you understand what chat? Am I wrong, chat? Am I wrong for doing it this way?
I agree. But if it wasn't on the app, then you should take it off the app. But what you're saying is it's already here. She's been doing it. So it doesn't matter doing it on the app or off the app. The mum should have the same energy what she's been doing on the app if Renee wants to, because at the end of the day, it's got nothing to do with how everyone else feels. It's how Renee feels, and that's the truth of it.
Do you get? Because let me tell you something, yeah. As much as me and my mother do not get along, she keeps requesting to come back in the live. Right? I need to calm down for a minute because I'm
Yeah, if
hot.
she wants to be disrespectful in public, she needs to apologize in public. It's true.
Just tell her to give me 5 minutes.
Who? Your mum?
Yeah, she keeps requesting me. I need to calm myself down. I don't want to be rude. What do you mean, pay a match? Like, that's triggered me again, you know, just that little comment that she said.
Aye, but Renee.
Like, all they look at me is money, like.
Aye, Renee.
My family don't care about me, you know. They don't care about me at all. These people don't care about me. None of them care about me. They act as if they care about me. They don't care about me. Down to my sisters don't even business about me. Do you understand? They act as if they care about me and they don't care about me. Because
Renee,
for you to come up here and talk about, oh, let's play a match. What do you mean, let's play a match, bro?
It's about Renee's feelings. I'll be real. No one can tell Renee nothing. It's how she feels. And she's right because they're her feelings.
And I'm not, and you know, I'm not sitting here saying that I have not been disrespectful. Oh, God, Renee, I've said some stuff. Do you understand? But I can also publicly apologize. I know how to be grown. So I can publicly give her a public apology.
No, I hear it. I hear it. Maybe try locking in a battle with her and having a conversation with her. I know you what you're saying, but I don't know. Because at the end of the day, you do want to resolve it.
And am I wrong for not making her see my child? I don't want people to make me feel like I'm wrong for that. No, I'm just my daughter. I'm sorry. Like, I don't care what anybody wants to say. You ain't seen my child in so long. Every minute you speak on my kid on the media, and I don't like it. The things that you've said about my child, about you take my breasts out and curse us, and no.
Yeah, no, grandmother shouldn't.
Protect my daughter like you didn't protect me when I was a kid, so I'm protecting my child.
A grandmother should not be doing that.
Potts, can you just stay here if she's gonna come up, please?
I'll stay here, but I won't try and say, I won't say anything. I'll just hear. I won't say a word.
Just give me a minute. My legs are shaking.
You got me, come you. Take your time, man. This is about you. It's not about anyone else.
Guys, I'm trying to breathe, but you know, yeah, I've got anxiety, and the anxiety is just, oh God. I'm a crybaby. I cry, mate. Like, I'm a leaver. You know.
I can imagine that at the same time, it's mum as well. You know what I'm saying? It's not anyone. This is mum.
I've been running away from this, you know. I don't think I'm ready for this shit. It's too much.
It's in your time, Renee. It's not in no one's time. It's in your time. Yeah, that is true. You see, the older generation, they think what they say goes and no one has a voice, but it don't go like that. You know, when somebody's 5 years old and they can't talk, that's when you can do that. You see, when you're grown up and you got a voice and you got feelings and you know how to speak about your feelings and express them, no one can't tell you to be quiet. You know, like that. Then that's just how it is. Older, or it doesn't matter how old you are, I can have a voice. And it doesn't mean
I don't even know how to start this conversation. I'm not really good at these things. I'm the type of person I don't like stress. You understand? I block and I would just keep it moving. That's how I deal with my that's what's it called? My coping. I don't know how to say that word.
coping mechanisms, how you cope.
Yeah, I don't like. I escape. I run away from my problems in other ways. Then.
Renee, do you know what the difficulty is? The difficulty is that your mum doesn't want to clear it up how she's been exposing it. So then you kind of meet a brick wall. But if I was you, I'm not telling you what to do, but maybe let her talk and say whatever she has to say, and then off the back of what she said, then you say something. I don't know, or vice versa,
Tell me to do shit in private, blood.
or vice versa. I don't know.
All right, boss. Let me and I sort out this, and then we'll come back.
Do you know what it is, Mummy? She wants me here. She just wants me to sit here. I'm not gonna get involved, but she wants me to just be here.
Okay.
Go on.
All right. Since you said what you said already, all right. Here, go along with me now. I'm so sorry. I may I tell you this from the bottom of my heart. I don't like talking, because so it make me emotional. Anyway, I'm sorry if me never did believe in you when you say you tell me. And then now me listen to where the rest of cousin them did have to say. Me apologize for that deep from the bottom of my heart.
But why? Why no? What? Not why? Because I need to understand. I'm so angry. Why? I came to you, Mom, and I told you what happened to me, and I would never lie about something like that. So I have so much hate in me for you. I don't want to hate you, Maureen. I don't want to hate you, Mom. I don't want to hate you, Mom.
Well, listen.
But honestly, I'm so angry.
All right.
So angry.
You're angry, and
Why
there's
is
nothing
that-
we can do about it if you're
let me
angry.
land. Let me land. Why is it that when Shawana told you what he did, you didn't hesitate to believe that girl, but I tell you what I went through, and you fucked me
And you
off.
say when you say you tell me, I'ma tell you say I don't remember of you telling me that. So me I tell you now from the bottom of my heart. Since you say you did tell me and I did not do nothing about it, I am so sorry. Sorry for never believing in you. Sorry for never believing in you. So you was telling the truth. And me don't know what else to tell you again. More than me I tell you say, me sorry it work out and go like this. Me sorry. Me apologize. So how much more you want me to say to you again? Me sorry me feel you as a mother. Me sorry me never believe in you. 100. Me sorry for what you say they tell me. Me never believe you. It's not some I believe Shawana, you know. I was on my live and she come in my box and she start talk. And me bring up Shawana. I was on my live and she said, Auntie, add me. True me know I'm my niece, I had her. And then she come and talk her story. She said everything what Renee was saying, it wasn't a lie. It was true. And she said because Renee put it out on the media, that's why she come and she talk about everything. So she said what you did I say? It wasn't a lie, it was true. So it's not like say, me never believe you or nothing. Me just never did know about it. So for said this and for said that, me sorry. Me sorry for never believing in you. Me sorry when you did tell me, me never did listen. Me sorry. Me never did take it up in the hand from them time then. Right? Me just sorry. And there's nothing more left in my heart for me say. Me sorry. And whatever me have to talk about, and me not going to talk about it on the media. We're going to come off the media and sit down and revolve this. You already put it out on social media already. So whatever the little well left, make what angry off of the media. And that's fair enough.
When I get back.
Everything what happened, me sorry. For all you have me up in your heart, me not have you up in my heart because at the end of the day, you're still my child. You're still my daughter. Me carry in my belly for 9 months and me alone go through the 9 months without pain. Me could allow it and a response to it, you know. But me not want to go over in a 2026 with a lifestyle, yeah. Me want it, all of the drama to finish between me and you. Make it go back the way how it used to be. Whatever happened, it gone already. So
Mom.
we not talk about what gone.
Hey, Mum. you need to allow Renee, because obviously Renee's hurt. So I hear what you're saying, but you can't. It's got to be on Renee's timing because she needs to heal because she's hurt. That's all it is. So you need to allow her to get her emotions out.
Yes, yeah, me don't have no problem with that, darling.
Okay, I'm just saying you need
Yeah,
to.
me don't have no problem with that. Whatever time she want to take to heal, that's okay with me.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever time she want to take to heal, that's okay with me. Come understand her.
And also, you know, like obviously Renee loves you because you're a mum, right? So you see when maybe you think she might be being disrespectful or whatever towards you, that's only coming from a place of anger. It's just anger and hurt. So when she's doing that, or if she does that, just have some what do you call it? What do we call it?
Remorse?
Empathy. Just have some empathy towards how she's feeling, because when she's acting like that, if you're gonna then react and give her the same energy, it's not allowing her to heal, because she's feeling like, why are you acting like that for my pain, my hurt? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Because she just gave me goose. I could have just cried on you. You know what I'm trying to say? It's that sad. You know what I'm trying to say? So when you're having your moments with her, just allow her to have whatever it is that she needs to get out. As a mother, just listen to her and feel her pain rather than react to it. And it might be hard. I'm not saying that's going to be easy because you're going to want to, but understand she's hurting.
Me understand all of that. So that's why I'm going to lower her.
All right.
I'm going to lower and give her all the time in the world for heal.
Yeah.
Because she know me, anything at all body trigger off my head, you know. Because my head no good. But you see right now, this is a fair moment. So I'm going to lower her for heal. Take time and heal.
Exactly.
Yeah, me allow her for take time and heal.
That's what she needs. You know what I mean?
Me not quarrel with her, me not cuss her, me not none of that. I'm just going to allow her, give her the time in the world to heal.
So
And
what?
understand. And understanding.
That is it.
That is it.
So me tell her already, say, I'm sorry for everything what happened. I'm sorry for the go, the come, the go, the come. Me done with all of them something. Me don't have no time for them, the drama, the brother. So me going to tell her 1,000 million times, I'm sorry for everything what happened. I'm sorry.
I've always told people that you would never always like this. You understand? You used to be really good, mum. You used to be on your shit.
I'm still good.
You used to let.
I have my time. I'm still good.
You used to let all of us link up. We used to all go to half afters, the dessert shop. We used to go cinema. We used to do videos. Ever since you met your husband, things change. You understand what I'm saying?
No change, you know. You feel like my husband changed me, but nobody can change me. God alone can change me.
Who changed you then?
And God alone, me say can change me. Nobody not change me. You know, so I'm stubborn. I'm have my ways. So me not gonna make no man change me. No. But me allow you to talk whatever you want to say. Just say it. You're free to say anything. I would just listen. Let me just listen.
Listen, it's not just me. It's not just me. It's the other two. I feel like one by one, you should sit down with each of us one by one, alone, with no one there, no company. And I think you should talk to your kids. I feel like you should talk to Marisha. She's hurting. Talk to Sanisha. They are hurting. They don't show emotions. They're not me. I show my emotions. I go off my emotions. They don't go off their emotions. They hold it in and then they break in silence. You need to speak to each and every one of them and speak to them properly and let them break down, let them cry, let them confide in you. Because I feel like I'm carrying the weight of them too on my shoulders and I can't take it anymore. So I think you really need to, before you speak to me, I think you should speak to them too before you reach my foot. I'm coming home next month, so I will speak to you in my time, in my own time when I'm ready. But right now, I think you should speak to those two before you speak to me.
But I said this yesterday too. So all of us are going to sit down and we're going to speak about it, not on the media. We're going to speak to each other on a one-to-one. So everybody will let out what them having in them stomach. Because me not keep nothing in my stomach make it kill me. No. Me want to go over in a 2026 with a clean and a pure in heart. Me not have no time for have up nobody, no. Me no want that. Me I go up in a age, me not come down in a age. So whatever me do, me tell you something. Me not too big, I'm not too old for say sorry.
God's time is the best timing.
Exactly. So in everything we are going, I'm sorry, so me never did a listen to you. I'm sorry for everything. I don't know what else to say again. I'm just sorry for everything. So we can resolve the issue what we have after social media. And that is it. And everything everybody needs to know over here. No.
They already know.
We are going to sit down and we are going to solve this.
They already know everything.
Yeah, them already know, but them not have to know when I will sit down and you will speak your mind, Mauricia speak her mind, and Sanisha speak in her mind. They don't have to know that. So we're not going to bring it up. Me, myself, not carry it no media. If anyone don't know I carry over here, that's a phone of business, but me not going to join on up on that. Me I talk to uno off the media, not on the media. Can you see this media place here? It's not good. Are the devil's playground.
What, are you friends with Cutie then?
Who?
Cutie.
What with her?
You're friends with her?
No. Me know Cutie from back in the days. Me and her no friend. No. It's just I hello and go about your business. Remember, me not pick, me a big woman.
No, you was talking to her to get back at me.
No. Me never that talk to her together with you. No. You feel so, but I not so it go. I not so it go. You think me I eat that? Me not eat that, you know. Them say I'm drunk, but him no fool. Come let me tell you something. I know by they getting to me, they want to hear stuff that come out of my mouth about you. But remember who is your mother. Your mother not a fool or your mother not an idiot. I know what they want. I know what they're coming to hear. But them not going to hear it out of my mouth. Them not going to hear it out of my mouth. Me not idiot. Me not fool. Me know where them a come from. Remember Maureen, your mother, so me know exactly where them a come from. And it's not going to work. So I say anything they want to hear, them gonna hear it from you, not from out of my mouth. You must be crazy. You think me no know people?
When I get back to England and I'm in the right headspace, we'll talk.
Of course we will talk. And that is a must. That is a must. Because this thing it have to solve and this thing it have to done. Yeah. It have to solve and it have to done. Because as when I say, I'm not going over in a 2026 with this a lifestyle. Yeah. No, sir. I'm not going over there with it. I want peace in my life. I want peace in my life and everything. And regardless of everything what happen, you're done. You know say me love you. Remember when you're born, you know, me I idiot when it come on to you when you're born, you know, because you was my first daughter, you know. Me have 2 sons and 1 daughter. And I was so stupid and fool when me have you as 1 girl. Me give you everything in a life. Me not say nothing when nobody have, but you never have. You never walk barefoot when you're a baby. You grew up in a slippers. That's why you have them foot there. So them foot, all your foot them soft and smooth. Because you never grew barefoot. You grow in a slippers. I don't care what we have. Me will always love you. Because I don't eat none of my pitney them. I don't eat none of uno. It's just because we have a look different. But me and still no matter no care who wanna take it. Because if anything for wrong with you in England, anything for wrong with Mauritius, anything for wrong with you, anything for wrong with Mauritius, anything wrong with Sanisha, my phone is the first number them I go call. My number are the first number they're going to call. So at the end of the day, I love the five and I pitney them. I love the five I own them. I love Mauricia, I love Sanisha, I love Renee, I love Kefash, and I love Dwayne. The five I own them I love. But as a mother, I don't know, so sometimes parents up in them feelings, sometimes and every family are good, you know. It's not every family good. Every family in this world have ups and downs. Nobody can come tell me say them not have ups and downs in them family. Nobody can come tell me that. Everybody have ups and downs in them family. So, as much as you talk all of these bad things about me, I'm going to talk all of these bad things about you. That not say me not love you. That don't say me not love you, because when time people vex, yeah, them speak bad things out of their mouth. You understand what I say? So if me offend you, find it in one place in your heart. If I don't want to small hole, find it in there for forgive me. Come forgive you. Yeah, I forgive you. I may not hate you, I still love you. And when anything at all again happen to you, and you come tell me, don't feel like this time you go put cotton bud in my ears and cock up my ears. No. I don't go listen well. I don't go listen to you, I go listen to Sanisha, and I go listen to Mauricia. But tell me straight, me no want to hear no lie. Tell me everything. And tell me the truth, not tell me no lie. I don't know, me no love lie. Just tell me the straight truth. Make me understand and know what to do. When you not tell me no want to not tell me no lie. If you not tell me no lie, me I go say me no believe you no. So anything, you just tell me as how it happen. Because you know so no mother is a diety woman, you know. You know that already. I mean I put nobody in front of me, pitney them. You know that. And you know I always tell you say me go far and me go up a Jericho. And me go everywhere for my pitney them. You know that. Because if a man talk to no hard out a road and no come tell me, you know what time it is. Me not run joke with my pitney them. So it's not like say, in them time there when you say you tell me, me don't know what happened, you know. I don't know what happened at them time there when you say you tell me I may never believe you. I can't even tell you what it happened. But you see, that done gone already. I not talk about the past now. Me I talk about the present. And the present is for me for live back as one big good family again. Because it wasn't used to be like this. Me don't know what she got this.
Is he in England?
Me don't know what she got this.
Is he in England?
Who?
The person.
Me don't know. Remember, me not go party again, you know. Me not go party again. So, anything at all again, whatever happen, come tell me. Me go listen.
Well,
I like how it work out like this now. Yeah. The next time you go come with something, come tell me now. Me not go tell us say, oh, me not believe Ray, blah blah. No, me go listen and me go investigate it.
well, the police will be doing that when I get back.
That if him still there here. Cause you hear so much argument. You hear so much story. You hear so much story. And if when you come back and you pick it up in a hand, me did it. I will stand predominantly to it. And I will support you 100,000 million. Cause when blood clot do and I want customer load over here. When do him wrong and him out there and him want somebody use one hammer and beat it in him head. And the whole of them look stinking dirty something when him say call dreadlocks we look like rope, they want to light a fire. Cause me definitely myself would have light them a fire. Me definitely myself would have light him. I would have light him a fire. Give him look at we call it.
Can circle back soon.
Yeah.
Amazona, I'm a grown away to one name. Him deserve some of that.
Thank you for apologizing. I am sorry for the.
But you know some, but you know me, you never live like this. And you know, sir, we used to live good. So Me say to myself every day, so no,
Land.
you is not the Renee. You want different Renee, cause you are not them for me, Renee. Eh.
Stick a pin. Just stick a pin.
Somebody impersonate you.
What?
No, me I say he's not this kind of Renee. Somebody impersonate you.
Right, I just said stick a pin. I apologize for the things I've said about you on social media. A lot of them wasn't really nice, to be honest. You know, so I just want you to know I sincerely am really, really sorry for the things that left my mouth and the way you cried and stuff like that.
Apologize.
I do apologize, innit?
It's accepted, cause me done already forgive you. Me done already forgive you. I'm always say it over. So there's nothing can make me ever stop love you. Me love you same way, cause you are my pitney. Me love you same way, regardless of what. Me is a mother. I always say, in a life, I may attack it, so. Me not bury none of my pitney, them, none of my pitney go bury me.
Listen, yeah? And I want you to make a promise in front of 4.5k people that whatever you and your kids have, your husband stays out of it, please.
Swear to God.
That's all I'm asking for. Whatever we have as a family and whatever we speak to you about as a mother, please do not involve that man.
No,
If you want to
that.
talk to somebody about me, I know you don't talk to my dad, but I'd rather you speak to my dad about me than speak to an ex-man about me, you understand? Because my dad can page me. You get where I'm coming from? He's the best person to page me than any other man in the world, because that's my dad. That's all I want. I don't need nothing else. I just want you, if you feel some type of way, if you're upset about certain things, I'd rather you speak to my dad than you speak to him about me. That's all I'm asking for.
Is that right? Well done. I will do just that. That's why I always tell them, so listen to me now. Wherever you see me and them have, just stay out of it. Me can't angle it. Stay out of it. Let me angle it by myself. Just don't enter. Don't involve. Stay out of it. But that's why I'm here for good again. And just keep going. I can't bother with the foolishness of the stupidness. I'm tired of it. I'm tired.
Right, now you apologize. I can have my match now. You can have your match.
I'm tired of it.
I'm going to go have a cigarette after this. I need one.
Me I have my own to the writer so. Yeah, you know me not out of my cigarette anyway. The writer so.
I miss the BH screen.
When I wake up, I see miss call from you, you know.
No, stop lying.
Yes, I see a miss call. The picture come up on a white top. You have on a white top and a black skirt.
I think someone
No, someone not. You did call me. Admit it. You was calling me.
I didn't phone you. You phoned me.
Me call you, of course, but you get back to me. Cause like when I call you was sleeping.
No, Miracle's my picture.
Miracle your picture?
I didn't phone you.
I must actually phone you then.
I have 2 phones and they're both Miracle is my display picture on WhatsApp, so it wasn't me.
Well, anyway, me did call you.
I know, I saw your missed calls, but I was asleep when you phoned.
Yeah, me did call you. I was calling you.
I was outside.
And my sister, me not get you. And when me look, me see the caller come, but me did sleep. When me wake up, me see you call, and I say, me call her back, and I still call her back, and I still not get you.
Pardon. Alright.
No. Nah lie, true.
How about you show the people that you can absolutely last, and maybe then one day you get your lion for being a great mother again.
Me's a great mother.
You might get that one day again.
No man, me's a great mother, and them know me's a great mother. Them know me is a great mother. They knows that.
Well, why are you
They
not doing
know me
Life
great.
Fest?
Eh?
Why are you not doing Life Fest?
You know, so me see it come, but me head not too right now. But she like how now we make up back now, then me head plug in back. I never plug in all along.
Well, yeah, you should do Life Fest.
Yeah, me head never plug in all along. But you plug in back here now. Yeah, plug in back.
Part up the screen.
Chat on there, make sure take my one look on nugget. You know, you saw me stay. You know, really like I make sure take my one look on nugget. I don't know if I make me win here, you know. I don't know if I make me take a fair one, because normally she ever take my nuggets them. Yeah, she ever take my nuggets them. May I beg a lion, please, and thanks. I'm begging a lion.
That's a
Where's
bit too much.
Squirrely?
Why don't you start slow with the bank? Oh, there, he's not your biggest fan.
Who?
You cussed him out.
They may not for cuss him out, because when him come, him give me headache, him send up my blood pressure. Oh, you don't know who that. Him send up my blood pressure.
Screw him. You cussed him out. So,
Yeah, man,
and
for cuss him out, man. Him
do
send up my
that.
blood pressure, man. Thank you. Him send up my
Ray
blood
Ray,
pressure.
you blocked Ray Ray. You blocked Ray Ray.
A black who?
You blocked Ray Ray.
A black Ray Ray. Ray Ray, the next one too. Them send up my pressure. You see Squirrel? Squirrel, one of them I love you, you know. You see somebody come. You see somebody come and talk about you. I may go answer. The first thing come out of Squirrel mode. Ah, Maureen, change the topic. Change the topic. Change the topic. Change the topic. I don't know me there on the topic, you know. I know me start it, you know. But from the moment them come over, I'm start. Oh, this yeah. Thank you. Listen, from the moment.
Oh, Meeks, slowest night.
Thank you, my
How did
baby.
she
Thank you, 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.
she get over there?
Yes, sir. Thank you for the post.
No rematch.
Thank you, my bed says. God bless you. No. Yes, that's what I was saying. Yeah. From the moment somebody come and say, "Come, me read up on my life, you know, good, you know," and somebody have to come over, come start talk about you, and then when me get mad, I'm start cuss now. School say, Maureen, can you change that topic, Mr. School? Come off from my life and don't let me tell you something bad. You hear me? I tell you. Come off from my life and don't let me tell you something bad, because all the while you see me up on my life, thank you, my babies. All the while you see me up on my life, I'm here talk.
Use at the times too. April, thank you, babe. Use at the times too, my side.
I want to hear me attack and come over with nonsense. I when I start cuss. When I start cuss. Time tools, my bad sis. Time tools.
Yeah,
thank you.
He phoned me and he told me.
All right, guys. Woohoo!
We've got to mute her. She's not. See? Play a match with Renee now. You get all the gifts back. My side, what's going on? Sort this out.
But anyway, my Betsy, my baby. You know your mother love you, don't it? I love you now. I love you. For you was a baby. For you was my one daughter, I love you. I know that. Do you love me?
Yes, I love you, Mama, right?
Okay. And I love you, my child.
Yeah, thank you.